so here we are with a brand new trick from Wayne Dobson. I'm here with Richard. Richard, say hi to everyone.
Hiya.
Everyone say hi to Richard. No, actually say hi, not just in your head. I think they did it. Say hi, Joe.
Hi.
This is Joe. I'm going to show you guys a little trick with 4 queens, all right? 2 red queens and 2 black queens. Of course, all of the queens are red on the back. The idea is to take the 2 red queens first. Richard, would you place your hand out for me? Great. And we're also going to take the 2 black queens. Joe, we're going to focus on those. The queen of clubs and the queen of spades. The idea is to place them together, and I'm going to ask you to give me a little blow. Not me, anyway. So just blow on the queens. As soon as you blow on the queens, one of them turns blue, because you blew it. You blew it. I think I'm the only one blowing it. Right. Sometimes the second queen gets a little jealous. That one turns green. Envy will do that to you. Pretty weird, eh? Richard, you've been holding those queens the whole
Yes.
time. Have I touched them at all?
Not so.
How did they get there then?
You got
It's me, wasn't it? All right. The third queen, just name any colour you want.
Purple.
Purple. Would you like to change your mind? Maybe grey? Not grey. Pink? Red?
No, I'm good with purple.
Purple. All right, let's try and change the back of the card to purple. We get a little bit of purple. There it is, right in the middle. It's pretty weird, eh? You want to know how this trick works?
Yes, I do.
It's all done with mirrors.
Oh.
Look in there. It's disgusting, isn't it? Anyway, that's Wayne Dobson's Spectrum.